Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. So this is the design that I did on this video. I have already prepped and primed my nails, and what I'm doing now is just applying a very thin layer of the base gel that I received from Missubeauty. Just apply a thin layer of this and then I cure it in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. So the method that I'm going for today is using these reverse tips. The gel that I'm using is a Missubeauty 4D sculpting gel in nude 04. So as you can see, I just apply it to the tip here. And I do apologise, I went out of shot there, or out of screen, so really do apologise for that there. So as you can see, I'm just placing it down on my nail and then I cure it for 60 seconds and take off the tip. So here we go again, just apply it to the end of the cuticle area of this reverse tip with my gel brush and some gel residue remover. I just pat it down and lay it out on the nail just to make sure that I have the required shape and length of the nails that I was going for. I went for an oval shape today, not too long, not too short, and then I cure them in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So I just really wanted a classic nude look this time. This is a video that I actually did a couple of weeks ago and I thought I'd forgotten to put it on YouTube, so I have edited it for you just so that you can see how gorgeous this nude actually looks just by itself. As you can see, it's absolutely amazing. I really love the colour and it's very classy looking, and it's so easy to work with this sculpting gel. I love it to bits. So yeah, so I just cure each nail in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So you don't need much filing as well with these nails, which is why I do absolutely love doing the reverse tip method. I think it's so much easier to use when you're in a rush, or if you just don't have much energy, or if you just want something simple. So yeah. So with my e-file, all I need to do is just file around the cuticle area just to make sure that that is really lovely and flush with my cuticle, so there will be no lifting. And of course, as I said, the nail is completely smooth and shiny, so I don't even need to buff or file the nail itself. And now I just apply my non-wipe UV gel top coat to my nails and I cure those in my LED lamp for 60 seconds, and then I apply cuticle oil. So thank you so much for watching my really quick little tutorial today, guys. If you did enjoy it, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I do have a discount code, as always guys, for the Missubeauty website, which is Beautified10, but I will put that in the description box along with any links that I have to any products that I've used in this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.